In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 0x80190001 when logging into your Microsoft account. This particular error usually appears when you're trying to sign in or add a Microsoft account on your Windows device, and something goes wrong with the connection or your system configuration. It can be frustrating, especially if you need to access apps like Outlook, Microsoft Store, or OneDrive. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clear, step-by-step process to resolve it and get your sign-in working again. First, start by making sure your internet connection is stable. A poor or intermittent connection can trigger this error. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router, or briefly switching to a wired connection or mobile hotspot to rule out network issues. Once you know your connection is solid, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches that interfere with the sign-in process. Next, check your date, time, and region settings in Windows. If these are incorrect, Microsoft's servers may block the sign-in because your device looks out of sync. Open your system settings, go to the time and language section, and enable automatic time and time zone if they're not already on. Make sure your region matches your actual location. After adjusting these, try signing in again to see if the error is resolved. If the issue persists, we'll move on to updating Windows. Outdated system files or components can cause sign-in errors. Open Windows Update from your settings and check for updates. Install everything that's available, including optional updates related to .NET or system components, since those can impact authentication. When the updates finish, restart your computer and attempt to log in once more. Now, let's clear the Microsoft Store and account-related cache, which can sometimes become corrupted. Use the built-in reset tool for the Microsoft Store by running the appropriate reset command from the Run dialog, or by resetting it from the Apps section in your settings. After the reset completes, sign out of any Microsoft accounts and apps where you're partially logged in. Then try adding your account again. If you're running third-party antivirus or a VPN, temporarily disable them and test the sign-in. These tools can sometimes block secure connections to Microsoft servers. Just remember to turn them back on once you finish testing. Finally, if nothing else works, remove the problematic Microsoft account from your account settings. Restart the device, and then add the account back from scratch. This refreshes the connection between your device and Microsoft servers and often clears lingering errors like 0x80190001.